In previous videos we explained the Packfrog on a website. But how does it work on mobile devices? The same way, the Packfrog is a web app. It adapts itself to the device you are working with. It can even be installed on your mobile phone home screen or desktop. You can upload, download and share your data. We explained that in previous videos. You can send and receive messages and manage your contacts. Everything on your phone works just fine. The Packfrog is a universal environment that works on any modern operating system. Try it out. It's free. Just go to packfrog.com to get started. Thanks for watching, and may the frog be with you.